but just genius. They recognize you. They know you by smell, sight, familiarity, everything. And this is just a highly intelligent animal that's capable of thought. It will change its behavior. So if I treat it well, I get an animal that's fantastic. If I disrespect it and I don't treat it well, you're going to get a very defensive animal that's not reliable. But this animal is not interested in hurting me, and this is really cool. It's got a lot of like this orange salmon on it. Hi, baby. Look how strong that is. Look at just